Okay, I'm just recording it for you. Okay,
Thank you.
so today agenda is string. So string is one of the most commonly used data structures. So string is basically used to hold the names like your name, my name, and all. And if you talk about definition, string is actually a group of characters. So let me make a diagram for it. So agenda is clear, people. Yeah, agenda is string. So let me make some diagram for it. So here what I'm doing is I'm going to tell you in Java what are the different approach to create string object, right? She was still telling you class and object. Am I right? So string is a ready-made class or you have to design it? Any guess? Nobody replying.
We
Ready
had
made.
to.
Yes. Yes.
This is a ready-made class offered by JDK, right?
GDK.
This is a predefined class offered by Java. Fine.
Job.
So you need to know how to use this class. So this is basically used to store the data. She might be teach you if you want to create an object of it, you have to use new operator. So what are the different way to make the object, right? So first approach of doing is in Java, if you want to make the object of it, right, you can use this. Suppose I want to store into this Cubico, right? Okay, this is clear or not? So when you do it, it is going to create a memory. You know memory? Memory is the concept through which you can store the data in the computer. So when you do it, it would create a variable. I hope you know variable. Variable is basically used to hold the address. So here this is your str. Am I right? And right side is creating a memory like contiguous memory like this. I don't know you guys are following me or not.
Yes. We
Yes,
are.
sir.
So actually string is a array of character. Array means a group of character. She taught you array or not? Just curious to know. So array is a contiguous memory where all the character will be in one block. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello. So what you can do is in this you can store the data like this. Make sense? Like data in contiguous memory. And this is the array. An array will start with the indexing. You know it, right? But memory
Yeah.
is contiguous. So this is the index number generated by the computer compiler to it. Hmm? So it is starting with 0, so it will go up to 7, 6 for 7 characters. I don't know, you are following me or not? This is the memory
Yes.
representation of it, right? Q E uh, Cubico. People, if you interact with trainer, definitely you'll enjoy. And even small silly questions, whatever is in your mind, confusion, please talk to trainers. Will help you immediately.
Okay,
Cubico.
so why do you have so many colors inside the box? Is it, I mean, can we just make it like a boxes as a array? I mean, it's so confusing.
What's confusing? And people
The
are.
boxes,
I'm.
the
I'm
color
just getting
boxes.
color box means it is different. Okay. I
Yeah.
don't know. It is. Who's this? Why is confusing?
This is
Because
Suresh.
I'm just making money because of it, man.
Oh,
You don't know.
I mean, there's no reason, right? I mean, does it?
Somebody would say make the color, and somebody would say don't make the color. Then what I should do?
I mean, you can make the color. There's no, I mean, there's no problem. I'm just
What?
asking, like,
What's your name?
Suresh.
You are from IT background or non-IT background?
I'm little bit.
Okay. See, let me teach in my style, right?
Oh,
Otherwise, there would be a lot of problem. People would say, some
but
people say, listen to me. Some people says normally don't make the diagram, please. Don't make it. You teach me only
so,
in the editor. That's
so,
fine. So first of all, let me teach you. If you're not able to understand, let me know. Okay. What's confusion you have in this? 0, 1, 2, 3, all the blocks are there. Hello?
so I'm asking, like, so the blue colored, so the string is, so like you have blue on the left hand side. So does it specifically say
Of
something on the
course,
memory,
yeah.
or
Of
you
course, it is
just?
specifically say share the mean the memory.
Oh yeah, that's what
Actually,
I'm asking.
every array is having the base address, right? Like this. So this will holding the address of it. Okay. So let me teach. This is the just by beginning. Okay.
Oh,
So the way I'm teaching you, it's 100% guaranteed. Everybody understand it. If you don't understand, let me know in front of everybody. Okay. I'm not
no,
getting
I
anything.
know, I understand. I've been
Okay.
following you, like, so I know.
No issue. So this is the first way to create the string. Okay. str. And for a string, you have to remember one line. String is immutable. What I said? Hello. This is the punchline which you have to remember. String is immutable. Immutable means once you make the object of it, later you cannot change the content of it. Once object is created, after that we can't change the content of it. I'll tell you meaning of it. Hello. String is immutable. Please remember it. So I'm going to explain you what is the meaning of it. See, suppose I'm able to make a string cubico. Somebody would say, can I make this? Can I replace this k with m? Answer is reply. No.
No. No.
A cannot be replaced with some other letter. You can't replace with n or anything. You can't do it. Make sense? Immutable means once object is created, its content is initialized. Later you can't change it. I hope it is clear to everybody.
Yes.
Okay. This is the first way to create the string in Java. Second way of creating a string is you can use this syntax also. Can you see this? Here you can use cubico. People, if you confuse, let me know. Cubico. Both syntax are same, right? Can you see this? I'm sorry, both syntax are different, but meaning is same. So you can make object of string using without new operator with new operator. This is clear to you? Hello.
Yes.
It is also going to allocate the memory, but you need to know when to use new operator and when to use this style, because both differ in terms of concept. Hello. So time being only, I would say when you create a string using new operator, its memory is created in Java heap, and Java heap is a part of JVM. Where memory is created in this case? Inside Java heap, right? And Java heap is a part of, guys, do you know JVM?
No.
Yes.
Java virtual machine. JVM is responsible for your program execution. All the program execution takes place inside Java virtual machine. So guys, you can watch my recording. I have shared it, right? Yes, in
Sure.
recording, if you go JDK, JRE, JVM is there. I'm telling you, go and watch it. You'll be never get confused. I'm telling you. Inside, this is created inside the JVM, and this memory is created inside the intern pool. Where this memory is created? Inside. I'll tell you the difference between Java heap and intern pool. This is called intern pool. Sometimes people say string pool. You can say anything. And inside intern pool and string pool is a part of again JVM. Any confusion if anybody has? Hello? Let me show you one example, right? Small coding. See, this is your string. Okay. In string str, I'm just writing cubico. People, if you think I'm moving fast, you are not able to understand, let me know. Here,
Sir?
tell me, please.
Huh?
Please go ahead.
Oh yeah. Why string str equals new string? Why do you do it like the array?
Yeah, good question. Actually, this is the memory representation. Whenever you create the string is a group of characters. So in coding you can write it, but in the behind the scene in the memory it is going to be allocated in the array. This is implemented in Java or in every language. If you create the string, it will always go into the array. It is designed internally like this.
Oh,
Fine.
yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Let me tell you, when you buy the car, right? You always think car is a very luxury item and you always use for commute purpose. Am I right or not? You don't think beyond it. You always think like this when fuel is and how this fuel is converted into mechanical and energy. No, you never think like this. Am I right or not? If I say
Yes.
like that, you would say, oh my God, are you mad? Why I should think about it? My job is only use car, not more than that, right? Simple.
Yeah.
As long as it's working perfectly fine, I don't have any problem, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, here. So here, who will tell me the output of it? If I print the system dot out dot println, just wanted to know. If you print like this, what will be the output of it? Any guess?
The object.
We are printing str. What it would print output is cubico. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Cubico, right? On the console. If what I'm doing now, I'm saying, hey str, I want to concatenate Mr. right? And plus and str. You know what I'm doing? I'm taking Mr. as a string literal, str I'm appending into it, right? After appending it, again, if I print system.out.println, what would be the output of it? Mr. Cubico, right? Here the output would be, let me write it, Mr. Cubico. So see, I'm contradicting myself. What? Here I was saying in str you cannot change the content. I said it, right? But here you see in str earlier we have Cubico, now you have Mr. Cubico. Let me tell you what happening is. Actually, when you are doing it, right, it is pointing to the which memory? Simple array. You can think like this, right? But when you are adding Mr. in this, right? So immediately it is creating new memory. It's not appending data in the same memory. You got a point? So it is going to create a new memory like this. Are you following me? So tell me, in this way, I am able to change the content of the original memory or not? No. Immediately it is creating new memory. So do you understand meaning of immutable? People reply.
Yes, yes.
Immutable means once you create a memory for it, later nobody can change the content of it. If you are trying to append something new or anything, immediately it will create another memory. If you understand, say I understand, otherwise say I don't understand at all. People are not, you're not replying. You got it or
I
not?
have a question. I have one question.
Please.
The string name should always be str or it can
No,
be
no, no,
anything.
no. This is a variable name. Variable name. What's your name anyway?
Akriti.
Akriti, you can write anything. Akriti, Tempa, mango, apple, banana, papaya, car, motor, dog, what you want to do. Variable name could be anything. So tell me, this will be always str or it could be anything?
It could be anything.
Okay.
I have one more question. Sorry.
Please.
Okay, so when you store on the array, so you added a space also. So does it also add the space?
Man, you see, we have Mr. dot and space. Can you see this?
Oh,
So
okay.
space is also a character.
Okay, and you said it will change the memory address, so it will not have B91 up here,
No,
right?
no. Its address is now changed because now str is pointing to new memory.
Oh,
And its address is changed, something like that. You got it? Whenever you
yeah.
create a memory, it will always have a new address. So it is changed. Got it or confused?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. Anybody have any question, query, or I can jump to the other concept of it.
Jump.
Oh, nice. Thank you for helping me. So next thing is I'm going to show you some interesting fact about it. See, See, here I'm creating a one string object, and again I'm here creating another string object. Akriti, I can give any name here. This your name? I don't know. Maybe spelling mistake. That's fine.
That's
Okay.
correct.
Oh, nice. Cubico. You see, string is immutable, right? So here I'm creating a string with Cubico. Here again I'm creating with Cubico, right? Both are same. Yes or no? So what happened in this situation? When you create a string using a string literal without new operator, Akriti. So what JVM does in the memory, first time it checks Cubico is there already allocated or not, right? If Cubico is there already, it will go and return the address of the same memory. Akriti, are you following me or not? What I'm saying is, so first time when Cubico is created over here, memory is allocated because Cubico is no more in the memory. But second time when you are creating Cubico again, right? You want to use the Cubico content again in Akriti variable. So Akriti will also point the same because it is there already, right? So if you use a string without new operator, it will use the same memory if it is there. Make sense? Akriti, you are not replying.
Yes.
What I said.
Yes.
Like here, I'm just making another variable again. And in this, again, I'm adding Cubico, right? So tell me, Cubico content is same, similar to str and Akriti. So this again will point to what? Same memory. Why? String is immutable. So it makes sense or not? Because I want to utilize my memory, right? So now tell me, address store in str and address store in Akriti, address store in Nagin will be same or different? Akriti, this question goes to you.
Same.
Same. So why this concept is made? This concept is called intern pool or string pool. Do you know why this concept is made? This concept is made to utilize the memory. Clear? So Akriti, answer my question. If I
Yes.
compare the address of, as per this concept, if I compare the address of str equals to Nagin, it will return me true or false. I'm comparing the address present in Nagin and present in str. So this
True.
will return true or false.
True.
Everybody is agree or you confused? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
True.
Okay.
True.
And if I'm creating another object of it, obj, and using new operator. So please remember, when you are creating a string using new operator, it will always allocate new memory inside the Java heap. What I said? It will never check memory. Sorry, content is there, right? It will never check content is there or not. What it will do always? It will go and create a. People reply.
Create
It will
another memory.
another memory always in Java heap because you are using new operator. New operator will not check it, right? Java heap always memory is allocated. If you confuse, let me know. In Java heap. So tell me, this will have same address or different address because it is creating new memory always. It will never check memory is there or not. It will always create new memory.
New memory.
So obj will hold this p12 in the memory. So now, as per this concept, if I'm comparing this, tell me, I'm comparing Nagin equals to obj. It will return true or false? Hello?
False.
False.
Very good, false. I have done with this much. If anybody have any question, query, let me know. On this string concept, you can make n number of programs. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, so I'm confused with the Cubico versus the B99 or the P12. What's the difference between those?
Can you come again? What's your name again?
Samir.
Samir, sir. Yes, Samir, can you come again? What's your confusion?
So I'm which one is the memory? The Cubico or
try to understand. This is the instruction. It will create the memory like this in the RAM. And this is the variable which holds the address, right? So right side is creating the memory. This is instructions, right? Instructions. You are giving instructions. As per the instructions, a memory will be allocated by the garbage collector inside the JVM in the RAM. Got it?
Yep.
So right side is just instruction to create the memory, and left side is a variable which holds the address written by this memory.
Okay.
Samir, make sense?
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah.
Good question. Thank you. So let me discuss one more use case, right? I'm going to, and this is the last. I have many things to teach in that, but I don't want to make you confused today. Okay. So, my dear friends, here I'm creating object using new operator, right? And again, here I'm going to create object using new operator. Samir, can you come with me? And here, see, I'm making object using content is same, right? But here again, I'm using new operator. Yes, you know?
Mhm.
So, you know,
Yes.
new operator, you can blindly go and say memory will be created inside Java heap. Yes, you know?
Mhm.
And definitely it would have different address. All this picture representation is just to make your job easy, right? Simple P22. So now you tell me here, if I'm going to compare I'm going to compare obj equals to ma. So it will return same at it will, if you compare this variable which holds this memory and this obj variable which holds this memory, right? And so both will have same memory address or different memory address.
Different variable,
Different
but
because different variable and different memory, because you are using new operator. New means it will always create new memory blindly, you can say, right? So
Mhm.
answer is false.
Different. Yeah, false.
So do you understand all these use case? Are you confused?
Yeah, I understand it now. Yeah. So every time you make a new one, then the new one becomes the true. Then
Yeah.
the okay.
New means always it's create new memory, new address.
Mhm.
Hey, anybody have any confusion? Hello.
No.
If I'm comparing the reference, right? When you compare the address, this is called reference equality. Please remember it. I'm telling you, if you started to forget all those things, you'll be out of the session. What I said? This is reference. What you would say? What I'm comparing here? Reference equality. Clear? Here, like if you want to compare the content of ma, whatever we have in the ma, you want to compare the content using equals method like this. So do you know what it is going to compare? You are saying, hey ma variable, I want to compare the content of yours with the content which is pointed by obj. So this will return the boolean value. What value, man? Boolean, and it will return true or false.
True.
B will contains true because you are comparing the content. So be careful. You are comparing the content or
Whatever.
B equals to true, right? It will return
True.
because let me tell you what is the difference between equals and this double equal, right? Operator. This is the method, right? So it does content equality. It is comparing the content underlying to string. It is comparing the address. This is called method. Am I right? This is method. And this is operator. Am I right or not? You must know difference between operator and method. Fine.
Mhm.
Done. Now you can ask questions if you have.
So the operator checks the variable, and then the method looks for the content.
Very good. What's your name?
Samuel.
Very good. Very good. Your understanding is right.
Yeah.
Thanks for validating. Good. Anybody else have other question, query? I don't know. The way I'm teaching you, you guys are able to understand or not. Just curious to know. Now, I have many things to teach you in the string, but let me make some programs. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
So as per my this slide, right? When you are creating a two string, like this one, without new operator. So what happened in this case? I would like to tell you again little bit more. Okay. After that, we'll jump to one or two coding problem, and then I'll make you free. But I'm telling you, go and watch this recording 10 times. Right? So see, when you use a string without new, using a string literal, it will create a memory in the intern pool, right? So first of all, check if Cubico is there or not, right? If Cubico is not there in the intern pool, it will allocate the memory and return the address to it. Make sense? So if again you are making a Cubico without new operator, guys, tell me how memory will be allocated. What will be the formula of it? Hello? In this situation, what happened? People, you are not replying. Again, if you're not using new operator, it will go and check in the intern pool, and it will say, hey, intern pool, do you have Cubico already there? Then what is it is saying? Yeah, Cubico is there already. Yes,
Yes.
because you are
It's just
not using,
there.
yeah, you are not using new operator. It will go ask with the intern pool, hey, intern pool, do you have Cubico already? It is saying, yes, I have. So same address will be returned to it as well. So this variable will also hold this address. Am I right? Yep. Now, if you compare the address of both the variable, like you are comparing pa equals to str, right? So what it will return? True. See, if two variables, two objects are same as per the equal operator, right? What about content equality? That must be same. No need to check it, right? If you are checking the content of it, you are wasting your
Time.
because the address are same, right? Then why you are checking the content of it? Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
please remember it. So this variable name could be anything, papa, mummy, daddy, whatever you want to keep it, doesn't matter. Okay, so here makes sense will come true. Right? This is called Boolean expression, and Boolean expression always return some Boolean value, true or false. Okay, so it is going to return true. I have done with the string. Okay, so guys, I think in a string, this is enough. And we have other use case. I'll share recording. You can watch it so that you can understand more on top of it. So I can show you some programs in the editor. You can make a number of program. I'll send you some program on chat after the session. It's okay.
Just a second, Nagendra. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
That Sumit will join in the same link, so doesn't leave the session right after the Nagendra. Okay.
Yeah, they can take a small break if they want.
Yeah.
But no need to log out, I would say.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, let's quickly go through the program. Hey, who is my friend in this session? Who is going to help me? Akriti, can you come with me?
Yes.
Okay, Akriti, you see in str1 we have Ola, in str2 we have Ola, right? If I compare the address of both, it will go inside it or not? Aha, I got it. It will be printed or not? Why?
Yes.
No.
Because
Oh.
why no, sir? Because here we have Ola.
I thought there's two strings or two different memory address.
No. Same string. Can you see this? Ola and Ola.
Yeah.
So if you run
But
it,
why not different address? Because string 1 and string 2 is two different variables, no?
oh man, this is different, but content
We
is
haven't
same.
used the new keyword.
We haven't
so it
used
will be
new
same.
keyword. That's why. Confused? Oh man, don't confuse variable. You see right side are same. So if you are not using new operator, it will be created in the string pool, right? So str1
Yes.
and str2 will point the same thing. Same thing I taught you to just taught you, right? If address is same, then content will be also same. Am I right? So it will print true over here. Let me run it. Akriti, you are following me or not?
Yes.
So guys, if you don't want to be confused, watch my recording how many times? 10 times.
10 times.
Let me show you the another program. Can you see this? Here I'm making Ola without new operator. So it will go to the intern pool. But here I'm creating with new operator, right? So
Mhm.
this memory will be different and this memory will be different,
Different.
right? In this case, this address and this address both will be the address which is held by S1, STR1, and the address held by STR2. Both will be different, right? But what about the content? Same, because it doesn't
Same.
matter where it is, right? It is in intern pool, it is in Java heap, but content is same.
Same.
Akriti, do you understand this program?
Sir,
Yes.
Okay. So let me send you the third program. We have new. This is in Java heap. This is in Java heap, right? Different memory at all. Am I correct?
Yes.
So guys, we have other program. You can try yourself and let me know. See, in this we have Ola, but we have Ola adding it, right? Ola,
Yes.
and this is also Ola. Again, both will create in the intern pool, right? This is fixed.
Yes.
This is fixed, right? So I think this is enough for today. I'm just stopping session here and recording as well. And just be here. I need to talk with you. Okay.
hello, sir.
Give me a second,
Sir.
sir. Give me a second. Stop
Yes, sir.
recording.